Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in JavaScript. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in JavaScript. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that what is a DOM traversing in JavaScript. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that what is a DOM traversing in JavaScript and how to do DOM traversing in JavaScript. Okay, so guys, trust me guys, believe me, DOM traversing is one of the most important things inside the JavaScript if you want to become a great JavaScript developer in future. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session, I will explain you, I will teach you that what is a DOM traversing and how to do DOM traversing in JavaScript. Okay, from basic to advanced. Okay, yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, I will explain you, I will teach you that what is a DOM traversing technique and how to do DOM traversing in JavaScript if you want to become a great JavaScript developer in future. Okay, so guys, just to give you a demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me explain you the example, what I mean and what we are going to learn today in this video, in this session. So let me go to the example first. So guys, this is the example I have built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript as well. Okay, so guys, here you can see the heading also, DOM traversing in JavaScript. Okay, traverse the DOM relative to the clicked card. Okay, so guys, here we can see 4 card also. The first card is Prabhat Pandit, second card is Pooja Yadav, third card is Deepak Sharma and the fourth card is Priya Kumari Sharma. Okay, here you can see the designation also, ServiceNow developer, Livewire developer, website developer and Java developer. Below you can see the experience, 4 years, experience 4 years, experience 4 years, experience 4 years, and this is something about the profile. Okay, this is something about the profile, this is something about the profile, and this is something about the profile. You can see status working, status working, status working and status working. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that what is a DOM traversing, and by using the DOM traversing technique, we are going to build a small application, we are going to create a small project in this video, in this session. Okay, because guys, we all know that we learn a lot of things by doing the practical. Okay, so guys, in this video, we are going to build a like a real world application by the DOM traversing technique in JavaScript. Okay, so guys, trust me guys, believe me guys. Okay, if you want to become a great JavaScript developer, then guys, you must know that what is a DOM traversing in JavaScript and how to do DOM traversing in JavaScript to grab something, to get something inside the JavaScript from the HTML element. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session, I will explain you, I will thoroughly explain you, I will teach you that what is a DOM traversing and how to do DOM traversing inside the JavaScript if you want to become a great JavaScript developer in future. Okay, so guys, like I already said, told you that in this video we will be creating a small application, yet dynamic application by the technique of DOM traversing in JavaScript. Okay, so guys, I explained you also. We can see here 4 card also. Prabhat Pandit, Pooja Yadav, Deepak Sharma, and Priya Kumari Sharma. Below is the details about the profile about the card. Okay, so guys, now guys, whenever you will click on any of the card, okay, so guys, now whenever you will click on any of the card, you will be able to see that card. You will be able to see that card below here. Okay, below here you will be able to see that particular card on which you have currently clicked. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna click this first card, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so just hit it, click anywhere. Okay, anywhere on this card you are free to click. Okay, the moment you will hit any of the card, you will click on any of the card, you will be able to see that card, okay, below here. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna click this first card of Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so hit it now. So see, guys, you can see here, the moment I have clicked it, you will be able to see the same card. Okay, the same card below here also. Okay, so guys, now you can see here the first card is selected because you can see the border is of red, and you can see here we have got some box shadow also. Okay, which means this card is currently clicked, this card is currently selected. Okay, and below you can see all the details about the profile Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so you can see this is the profile pic, this is the name, this is the designation, and this is something about the profile, and this is the experience, okay, of the profile, like 4 years, 3 years, 2 years. Okay, okay, so guys, now you can see here this card is selected. Okay, so guys, now you are free to refresh the page. You won't be this card will remain here. Okay, so guys, in this video also I'm using the local storage as well. Okay, so guys, trust me guys, from this video, from this session, you will be learning a lot of things from HTML5 to CSS3 to JavaScript to local storage as well. Okay, so guys, in this video we are gonna learn that what is a local storage as well. Okay, and I explained you already that in this video I will explain you, I will teach you thoroughly that what is a DOM traversing technique inside the JavaScript. Okay, and why it is so much of important to learn what is DOM traversing in JavaScript if you want to become a great JavaScript developer. Okay, so guys, now you are free to refresh the page. Okay, this card, okay, this card of Prabhat Pandit will remain here. Okay, it is not going to disappear, it is not going to be deleted, because I have saved this card, all the details about this profile Prabhat Pandit into the local storage as well. Okay, so after refreshing the page also, this card will remain here. Okay, so just refresh the page first and see if it is gone or it will remain here. Okay, so just refresh the page. See, boom guys, you can see here after the page reloading also, after the page refreshment also, this card remain here. Okay, it is not going to be deleted. Okay, so guys, now you are free to click on any of the card. Okay, so guys, now I am gonna click on the second card, Pooja Yadav. Okay, so just click anywhere on this card. Okay, so hit here. So see guys, now you can see here the second card, which means Pooja Yadav card, is now selected, and the same card you are also able to see below. Okay, okay, so now refresh the page also, refresh it. See, you can see here I have already refreshed the page also, and after the page refreshment also, this card remains here. It is not going to be deleted, it is not going to be removed. Okay, because I am saving each and everything about this profile, okay, inside the local storage as well. That's why after the page refreshment also, this card will remain here. It is not going to be deleted. Okay, so just click on the third card. Okay, so guys, let me just show you guys one more thing. Okay, so guys, as of now you can see here Pooja Yadav, which means second card is active. Okay, so guys, after the page I will cutting also, this second card will remain here. Okay, so just cut this page out. Okay, so cut it now. So go to the again code and again open it, open in the browser. So see, boom guys, you are able to see the same card here also after the page reloading also. Okay, I have already like I showed you that I have already cut this window and I just open it, and again you are able to see the same card Pooja Yadav. Okay, so guys, now click on the third card Deepak Sharma. So click anywhere on this card, hit anywhere on this card. Okay, so hit here. So see, you can see guys, now this third card Deepak Sharma have been selected. Okay, so you can see here the same card here also below. This is the profile pic, this is the name of the what can I say, user. Okay, this is the designation web developer, and this is something about the profile and experience 4 years. Okay, so now just refresh the page also. See, you can see here after the page refreshment also, after the reloading of the page also, we are able to see the same card here also. Okay, so just cut this page. Okay, and again go to the code and again open it in the browser. So see, boom guys, you can see here the same profile card is here, is still here. Okay, Deepak Sharma. So guys, now just hit anywhere on this fourth card, which is Priya Kumari Sharma. Okay, so hit anywhere on this card. So see, you can see here the fourth card is selected, because you can see here it has got the border red. Okay, and some box shadow also, which shows that this card is currently selected. Okay, and currently clicked by the user as well. Okay, so you can see here the same card below here also. This is the profile pic of Priya Kumari Sharma. This is the name, this is the designation, Java developer. This is something about the profile and experience 4 years. Okay, so guys, let me clear you guys one more thing very clearly. Okay guys, the profile pic, the name, okay, the designation, experience, I'm using here just to give you a demo, just to give you an example. Guys, the name, the profile pic is not related to any person who is dead or alive. Okay, so guys, I am just using the profile picture name just for the dummy purpose, just to give you the example. Okay, it is not related to any person who is dead or alive. Okay, so guys, now you can see here, just cut this page. Okay, and again go to the code and again open it in the browser. So as of now guys, we all remember that the fourth card is selected, which is Priya Kumari Sharma. Okay, so just open this file in the browser and see. So see, you can see here guys, the fourth card Priya Kumari Sharma is already here. Okay, so guys, as you can see, after the page refreshment also, after the page reloading also, and after the page cutting also, the last card, okay guys, the last card you have clicked on will remain here. Okay, because I am saving each and everything inside the local storage as well. Okay, like this profile pic, this name, this designation, this information, and the experience as well inside the local storage as well. Okay, so guys, the last card guys you will click on, it will remain here always. Okay, so just click anywhere on the second card. Okay, so you can see the second card is selected, and you can see here the same card is also here. So just refresh the page. Okay, it will remain here only. You can see here it is here only. So just click the Deepak Sharma profile. See, it is now selected. Okay, you can see here it is now selected. Okay, you can see here the background color, I mean box shadow, some box shadow also, and some border color also of red. Okay, which means this card is currently selected, this card is currently clicked by the user. Okay, and the same profile card you are able to see here also, below also. This is the profile pic, this is the name Deepak Sharma, designation website developer, this is something about the profile and experience 4 years. Okay, so just refresh the page also. See, you can see here after the page refreshment also, after the page reloading also, this profile will remain here. It is not going to be deleted, it is not going to be removed. Okay, so just click on the first profile, Prabhat Pandit. you can see it is now selected because user have clicked currently on the first card. Okay, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so you can see the same card. You will be able to see here also profile along with the profile pic. Okay, name of the user, designation of the user, something about the profile or the user, and the experience of the user or the profile as well. Okay, so guys, click anywhere. Okay, so guys, this is the last card, Priya Kumari Sharma. So you can see here, it is also here. Click anywhere, okay, on any of the card. Okay, you will be able to see the same card here also. Okay, along with the profile pic, name, designation, something about the profile, and the experience of the user or the profile. Okay, so just refresh the page also. See, it is here only. Click on the second card, Pooja Yadav. Just refresh the page. See, it is still here. It is not going to be deleted after the page refreshment also, after the page reloading also. Okay, so click on the third card, Deepak Sharma. See, it is here and it is already selected. Okay, this shows that this card is currently selected by the user. Okay, because we have got some nice red border and some nice box shadow also. Okay, so click on the fourth, Priya Kumari Sharma. So just refresh the page. See, okay, so guys, I hope guys I explained you today what we are gonna learn or what we are gonna build using the DOM traversing technique inside the JavaScript. Okay, so guys, you can see here we have got a lot to learn from this video, from this session, from HTML5 to CSS3 to JavaScript. Okay, to local storage as well. Okay, so guys, just be here guys, sit back, be relaxed, be calm, and be focused, and watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently as well. Okay, trust me guys, believe me guys. Okay, if you are someone who has just started learning JavaScript, and if you are someone who is dreaming to become a great JavaScript developer in the future, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this video till last. Okay, because in this video I will explain you, I will thoroughly teach you that what is a DOM traversing technique in JavaScript. Okay, and by using the DOM traversing technique, okay, we are gonna build this kind of dynamic application using HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, as well as local storage. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. Okay, and guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys do like these videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos for you on each and every topic of web development as well as full stack development also. Okay, please guys, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, I know guys, I am a boy. Okay, so you won't support me, you won't help me. Okay, okay, but I know guys, I'm little like unlucky, I'm little misfortunate, because I am a boy. Okay, and you guys are only supporting the girls channel only. Okay, but I am a boy, but still I will make a videos, awesome videos for you. Okay, so that you can watch it and you can learn from it also, and definitely you will grow also in your professional career. Okay, so guys, just subscribe to this channel guys, Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also. Okay, I know I'm a boy, but I still need your help, I still need your support. Okay, just support me, just help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn, okay, that what is a DOM traversing technique in JavaScript, and by using the DOM traversing technique, we are gonna build this dynamic yet awesome application using HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, as well as local storage. Okay, so guys, okay, So guys, now just let's start coding with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let me go to the code editor now. I'm gonna create here a new page first. So I'll say here DOM. Okay, DOM, just give DOM JavaScript. Okay, javascript.html. So just save the page. Okay, it is already there, so just give here one. Now hit enter. Okay, so guys, first of all guys, let me just explain you what is DOM. Okay, so guys, as we all know that DOM stands for document objects model. Okay, so guys, here you can see document. Okay, you can see here the entire web page is like a big tree house called the document. Okay, and what is object? Okay, so guys, you can see here everything in the web page like text, images, button, audios, videos, etc are called the objects. Okay, and you can see here model. Okay, guys, the structure of the web page showing how objects are organized and connected is called the model. Okay, so guys, document DOM means document object model. Okay, so I explained you also what is document, what is objects, and what is model. Okay, so guys, now I hope you are clear and you are ready to learn that what is a DOM and what is a DOM traversing technique inside the JavaScript. And by using the DOM traversing technique, we are going to build a small yet dynamic application, dynamic project in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now we have to create the HTML part also. So I'm going to create here HTML first. Okay, so guys, just sit back and be relaxed and watch the entire video. This video is only for you if you are new learner in JavaScript, if you are someone who is dreaming to become a great JavaScript developer in future. Okay guys, trust me guys, after watching this video you will definitely say that yeah, I have learned something from this video, from this session. Okay, so guys, just sit back, be relaxed and be focused and watch the entire video, and don't try to fast forward the video and don't try to skip the video. Otherwise, if you will miss something, you will miss each and everything from this video, from this session, and at the end you will end up losing your time, losing your energy. Okay, so just be focused, sit back and be relaxed and watch something unique, something awesome, and learn something unique, something different from this video, from this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now give the title also. I'll say here code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. Currently I am working as a ServiceNow developer at Happiest Minds, and I have got more than 4 years of experience in software development. Okay, so guys, now first of all I would like to paste one CDN link from the previous example only. So let me just go to the previous example and just let me copy this CDN link. So I'm gonna use this CDN link here also in our code also. So just paste here below the title tag, so paste it. So guys, let me just explain you. As you can see here guys, this is the CDN link for Bootstrap 5. Okay, you can see here bootstrap.main.css. so you can see this is the version 5 of Bootstrap. Okay, so guys, now we have the required CDN link for this project. Okay, so guys, now first of all let me just go to the example. So guys, first of all we are gonna create this cards also. Okay, so first of all we have to create 4 card. Okay, so quickly we have to create this 4 card also. So I'm gonna create this card also. So I'll say here create a div first, give the class also as a container, and give margin top 4. Okay, give margin top 4 and give margin bottom also 4, and just close this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. So give the class also as a text center, and give here the margin top 3. Okay, and give margin bottom also 3, and just close this div, cancel it. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna create here h1 element, sorry, so say h1 and close this h1 first, and I'm gonna give the class also. So I'll say here class as a text center and text dark also, not black, it's dark. Okay, and inside this I'm gonna put here some text also, like learn coding with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so just copy this div from here to here. Okay, and just give here one hr for horizontal line. Okay, and just paste it this here. So I'll say here that, okay, so give here the styling also. I'll say here font size of 20. Okay, give font size 25 px. Okay, so what is the issue, guys? Font size, you can see here there is some issue, I guess. Okay, so style, okay, so I'll just say here, just remove this text. I'll say here DOM. Okay, traversing in JavaScript. Okay, so put point and say here br, and just below this say traverse. Okay, traverse the DOM relative, okay, relative to clicked card. Okay, relative to clicked card. So just save your code and open the file in the browser and see the output first. Okay, so guys, now you are able to see here learn coding with er Prabhat Pandit, and below you can see the heading also, DOM traversing in JavaScript, traverse the DOM relative to clicked card. Okay, so guys, now we have to quickly create this four card. Okay, so I'm gonna create this four card first. So just go to the code again, and below this div I'm gonna create here another div. So I'll say here create a div and give the class also as a row. Okay, so give the class also as a row and close this div first, and inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so create a div, give the class also as a call lg. Okay, give call lg3 and give call axl3 also, and give call access12 also, and give call md6 and give call sm12. Okay, so guys, as you can see here I'm using the Bootstrap predefined classes. Okay, so guys, in this way we can define the grid. Okay, so guys, you can see here I'm using here call lg3 for large screen, and you can see here call axl3 for the extra large screen, and call access12 for the extra small screen, and you can see here call md6 for the medium size screen. Okay, and you can see here call sm12 for the small screen. Okay, so guys, in the small screen our div will be 100%. In the medium size screen our div will be what can I say, half of the screen. Okay, means 50%. Okay, means 50%. This is also the full width in the extra small screen. This is of 3 in the extra large screen, and this is of 3 of large screen. Okay, so just close this div first and close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. So I'll say here card. Okay, so create a div, give the class also as a cards only. Okay, so just close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. So I'll say here class, I'll just say here image. Okay, image holder. Okay, for holding the images, you can see here I showed you the profile pic of the user. So just go to the example, you can see here this is the profile pic of the user. Okay, so like this is dummy. Okay, so guys, it is not related to any person dead or alive. The image or the name or the designation or the experience, okay, it is not related to any person who is dead or alive. I'm just using this for the sake of example, for the sake of demo. Okay, just to give you the demo, just to give you the example. Okay, so just go to the code, and I'll create here inside this image holder. I'm gonna create here img element. Okay, so I'll say here img, and I'll just give the images folder name and forward slash, and I'll just copy the image name from the example only, just to save a little bit of time. Okay, so guys, just go down and just copy this image name from here and just paste here. So give the class also, so I'll give the class also as a img fluid, and I'll give here the thumbnail also, as another class. Okay, so that's it. So below this div, okay, below this div I'm gonna create here another div. So go little up, okay, and just create a div. First close this div, okay, otherwise we will forget it and we will have a lot of issues later on for this div only. Okay, so guys, always remember closing or opening the tag, and you must remember that we have to close the tag also at the same time. Okay, otherwise you will forget it and you will have a lot of issues due to this only. Okay, so I'll say here, I'll give the class also to this div. I'll give here the class, so give the class also. I'll say here info holder. Okay, means this div is going to hold the information about the user, about the profile. Okay, so I'll say here px4, okay, and py4. Okay, so py4, okay, which means padding from the left and right side, okay, is 4, and padding from the top and bottom is also 4. Okay, so guys, these classes are predefined classes in the Bootstrap. Okay, so this means padding from left and right 4, and this means py4 means padding from top and bottom. Okay, so inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so I'll just say here, guys, just pay attention, guys. Okay, how I am going to define the div. Okay, guys, because in this video they are gonna learn that a very important topic, very crucial topic, that what is a DOM traversing technique in JavaScript. Okay, so guys, just pay attention and be careful. Okay, because DOM traversing technique is one of the most important things to learn in JavaScript if you want to become a great JavaScript developer in future. Okay, guys, you must know that what is a DOM and how to traverse the DOM efficiently in JavaScript if you want to become a great JavaScript developer in future. Okay, so just be careful, be patient, and be focused, and watch the entire video very carefully, because in this video you have a lot to learn, from HTML5 to CSS3 to JavaScript to local storage as well. Okay, so just be here and be focused. Okay, so I'll just say here, I'll just close this, div first, and I'll just give here, so I'm not gonna give here any class on this div. Okay, so just open this div and I'm gonna create here h2. Okay, so just close this h2 first. Okay, and I'm gonna give here the class on this h2 element. Okay, so I'll say here name as a class only, and I'll just give here the name as a Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and below this h2 I'm gonna create here the h4 element. Okay, so h4, and just close this h4, and I'm gonna give the class also. So I'll say here designation. Okay, so I'll say here designation as a class, and I'll give the designation as a service now developer. Okay, so that's it. And below this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, So just create a div. First close this div, and I'm gonna give here the so I'm not gonna give here the any class to this div also, and just create another div. Okay, just create another div and just close this div. So I'm not gonna give here any class to this div also. So inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. So I'll say here div and just close this div. So I'm not gonna give here any class to this div, and to this div also. Okay, so I'll just say here the what can I say, experience. So I'll say here experience, give space, give colon, and say here 4 years. Okay, so that's it. So below this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so I'll say here, just go a little up. Okay, so close this div first. Okay, and I'm gonna say here the class also. So I'll say here the class as a profile. Okay, as a profile, yeah, text. Okay, that's it. So inside this div I'm gonna create here the para element. Okay, so close this p first, and I'm gonna give here the class also as a para. Okay, so I'll say here as a para only class. And guys, now I'm gonna copy this text. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna copy this text from the example only, just to save our little bit of time. Okay, so it is only the text only, nothing else. So just go down and just copy this text from here, and just go and just paste it here. Okay, and guys, now below this div, okay, I'm gonna create here the span element also. So I'll say here span, and just close this span tag, and I'm gonna give here, I'm not gonna give here any class to this span element. I'll just say here status. Okay, status, give a space and give here working. Okay, so status is working. So right now the user, the profile is working. Okay, so just save your code and go to the browser and just go here and refresh the page first. So you can see here we have got our first card like this. Okay, so we have to write our custom, our own CSS also. So guys, just be here and be focused. Okay, so just go down, and guys, now just copy this div from here to here. Okay, so guys, just copy this div from here to here. Okay, so copy it now, and let me just check it again. Yeah, that's cool. So just hit little bit of space and paste it here, and paste here also, and paste it here also. So guys, now just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, so you can see here we have got our 4 card also. So we have to just quickly change the image. Okay, change the name and change the designation also, and change this text also, which is about the profile. Okay, so I'm gonna just change the image very quickly, the name also. So the name is Pooja Yadav, Deepak Sharma, and Priya Kumari Sharma. Okay, so quickly I will just change it. This is the Priya Kumari Sharma. So Priya Kumari Sharma. Okay, and she is a Java developer. So I'll say here Java developer. That's it. So go to the example and just copy the text also at the same time and replace it. Okay, so just say it here. Okay, so now go up. So this will be the Deepak Sharma, the profile Deepak Sharma. Okay, and he is a web developer. So I'll say here web site, yeah, just say here website developer, and let it be experience 4 year only. Okay, so status is working. So let me just copy the text from here. So just copy this text from here and just replace it. Okay, and I'm gonna just change the image also from here only, just to save our little bit of time. Okay, so just copy this image name from here and just replace this. Okay, and just go to the example only and just copy this image for Priya. So just copy this image name from here and go here and just replace this image. Okay, so go up. Yeah, this is done. And now she is a Pooja Yadav. So I'll say here Pooja Yadav. Okay, and she is a, what can I say, live via developer. Okay, so live via developer, experience is 4 year. That's cool. So just go to the example, go up, copy this image name from here and just replace this image from here. So copy the text also. So just copy it and just go here and just replace this. Okay, so let it be experience 4 year and the status is working. Okay, so currently she is working. So just save your code and just refresh the page now. Okay, so see, you can see here guys, we have got our profile also. So we have to write our CSS also just to make, okay, just to make look like this. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna write this CSS, okay, our own custom CSS also. So guys, now just go to the code and go up and I'm gonna create here the internal style sheet inside the head section only. So I'll say here style element, okay, or the style tag I'm gonna create. So I'll say here asterisk, okay, which is known as the universal selector. Okay, so I'll say here position as a relative and I'll just give the padding also as 0, give the margin also 0 and give box sizing as a border box. Okay, and give the font family also. So I'll say here font family as a sans serif. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna just copy this, okay, this image holder class from here and we will just style it now. So go up, put point and paste it and just say here that width, okay, I'll give here the width also as a 100%. Sorry, so I'll give here the height also of, I'll give here height of 200 px. Okay, and just give here the overflow as a hidden. Okay, so that's it. So guys, now I'm gonna just copy this info holder class from here. So copy it from here and just go up and put point and paste it. Okay, and just say here that give the background color. So I'll say here background color of hash, put 6 times 0. Okay, and just say here 1 2. Okay, that's it. So just copy this class thumbnail from this img tag. Okay, you can see here this is the img tag and it has got two classes also, img fluid, which is predefined class inside the Bootstrap, and this is thumbnail, this is a custom class. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this thumbnail class from here and just go and put point, paste it here. So I'll say here that width of, I'll say here width of 100%, give the height also of 200 px. Okay, although it is not good to give the height to the image also, but for this video I will be just giving the height also. So I'll say here that display as a block and I'll say here object fit as a cover. Okay, and I'll just say here position as a relative. Okay, so that's it. So as of now, just save your code and see the output first. So now refresh the page. Okay, so you can see here it has started looking like this. Okay, looking like this. So okay, so just go to the code and let me just see what is the difference. Okay, so here that's cool. We'll just okay, so just go to the code, it is looking cool now. So now I'm gonna copy this cards class from here. So copy it and go up and just put comma, paste it here, and we will just style it now. And I'll say here that cursor should be pointer, okay, and keep the border radius also of it's up to you. So just give here 10 px and say here border, sorry, so say here border, I'll say here thin, okay, solid, I'll say here gains border, or just remove this gains border, say here hash 2, I'll say here 2 0, okay, 2 1, or say 201 e, okay, and say 1 e 9 e, okay. So just say here position as a relative and give here the box sizing also as a border box, okay. You can give also the box shadow also little bit if you want. So I'll say here 1 px 2 px, okay, and give here 10 px, and I will use the RGBA function. So I'll just change the value of opacity, so just 0.3, that's it. So I'll just give here the overflow also hidden, so I'll say here overflow hidden, okay. So just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page now, okay. So you can see here, okay, so this is the our code and this is the example. So we have to make it, okay, like example only. So just to go to the code, and now we are gonna copy this name class, okay, this name class, okay. So guys, as you can see here, this name class, this designation class, this info holder class, okay, this img holder class will be on each and every card, okay, on each and every card, okay. I showed you also, okay. So yeah, you can see here the same class, info holder, name, designation, okay, image holder, the cards here also you can see here name, the class, designation, image holder, okay, I mean info holder, image holder, and the cards also. You can also see here the profile text, okay, name, designation, info holder, and image holder, and the cards also. So you will be able to see the same class on each and every card also, okay. So I'll just copy this name class from here and paste it here, and I'll just say here position as a relative and give here the display as a block, and I'll just say here font size, okay, of I'll give the font size of 25 px, and just say here font family also I'll say here sans serif, okay. So guys now, sorry, so guys now just copy this para class. So copy this para class from here and go up, put point and paste it, and just define it now. So I'll just say here that font size, okay, font size of 16 px, okay, and I'll just give the font family also as a sans serif, and I'll give the line height also. I'll say here line height of 25 px, okay. So yeah, so just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page, okay. So now it is looking like this. So we have to make it like this also. So I'm gonna copy the designation class, okay. So just copy this designation class from here and just go to the style sheet, put point and paste it, and just put here, just define it now. So I'll say here that font size, okay, of just say here 20 px, and give the color also. So I'll say here color 000, okay, I'll say here 00073, okay. So just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page, okay. So yeah, so let me just see, okay. So that's it. So let me just put some text here also, guys. Okay, so okay, I guess I have removed some text from here. Okay, so let me just copy. Okay, let me just copy this entire text. Okay, I was not copy the same text. Okay, so just remove this. Okay, so just paste it here and just save your code and go to the browser and now refresh the page. Okay, so guys, now you can see here nice looking and awesome card also. Prabhat Pandit, Pooja Yadav, Deepak Sharma and Priya Kumari Sharma also. So he is a ServiceNow developer, she is a Livewire developer, he is a website developer, and she is a Java developer. Experience 4 year, experience 4 year, experience 4 year, experience 4 year. And this is something about the profile. This is something about the profile. This is something about the profile, and this is something about the profile. Status is working, status is working, status is working, status is working. Okay, so guys, we are done with the profile card. Okay, so we have created our for profile card also. Okay, so guys, now we have to put the functionality also by using the JavaScript DOM traversing technique. Okay, so guys, now go to the example first. So guys, now just go to the developer tool. Okay, and just go to the application and just remove this key value pair or the local storage value from here. So clear it. So just cut this out and just refresh the page first. Okay, so guys, now we are not able to see the card. Okay, so guys, the moment user will click on any of these four cards. Okay, so guys, whenever the user will click on any of the card, he or she should be able to see that card here on this spot, on this place. Okay, so guys, now just click on any of the card. Okay, so click on this fourth card itself. Okay, it is not necessary to click on the fourth card. You can click on the third card also, you can click on the second card also, you can click on the first card also. So I'm gonna click on the third card, Deepak Sharma. So hit it now. So see guys, the moment user will click on any of the card, he or she should be able to see the same card. Okay, the same card also here. Okay, also here. So guys, now just refresh the page. Okay, so see, after the page reloading also, after the page refreshment also, the same card, okay, on which user have clicked, or the on which user lastly have clicked will remain here, because I am saving each and everything inside the local storage. Okay, so guys, now we have to put this functionality, we have to implement this functionality. See, this card is now selected, and you can see here the same card also here. Sorry, so click on the first card. You can see the first card is selected, and you can see here the same profile card here also. So just refresh the page. Okay, see, it is not going to disappear because it is inside the local storage now. So click on the fourth card, Priya Kumari Sharma. See, it is now selected. This card is now selected because you can see here a nice red border with some box shadow also, which means which shows that it is a currently selected card. You can see the same profile card here also. So just refresh the page. Okay, so click on this card, Deepak Sharma. See, it is here, it is already selected. Click here, Pooja Yadav. See, it is already selected. The second card, you can see here the same card here also. Click on the Prabhat Pandit. See, it is now selected, and you can see here the same card here also. Click anywhere on any card, you will be able to see the last clicked card here also below this profile card. Okay, last clicked card here also below this profile card. So click on any of the card. Okay, so guys, now we have to implement this functionality using the JavaScript with the technique DOM traversing. Okay, so guys, now just go to the code, and guys, now just pay attention guys, because now we are gonna write our logic, we are gonna write our JavaScript code, which is the most important part, which is the most crucial part of this video, of this session, because you are watching this video only for the JavaScript. Okay, so just pay attention, be careful, and watch the entire video very carefully guys. Now we have to write our logic, we have to write our JavaScript, okay, using the DOM traversing technique. Okay, So let's just go to the code again, and I'm gonna create here below this. I'm gonna create here uh, okay, so I'm gonna create here the script tag. Okay, so just create a script tag first, and guys now just pay attention, okay, because we are gonna write here, we are gonna put our logic, okay, but here, so let me just check this. Okay, yeah, this is the row div. Okay, so guys now below this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so just give the class also, I'll give the class also as a card data. Okay, give the id also, I'll say here the same id as a card data. Okay, and just close this div. Okay, so guys let me explain you why I have created this div. Okay, so guys as of now let it be, we are gonna put each and everything inside this div using the JavaScript dynamically. Okay, so guys in this div we will be populate each and everything dynamically by using the JavaScript. Okay, so let me just explain you why I have created this div. Okay, so just go to the example first, and guys you can see here, this profile card. Okay, whenever you will click anywhere on this fourth card, you will be able to see same card here also. So in this div guys, okay, in this div, okay, in this div guys, you can see here in this div we will be populating, we will put each and everything inside this card dynamically by using the JavaScript. Okay, so that's why I have created this div to dynamically create this div whenever user will click on any of the profile card. Okay, on any of the profile card. Okay, so that's why I have created this div. Okay, this div. Okay, so let it be as of now empty. We will be putting here, we will be populating here each and everything dynamically by using the JavaScript. Okay, so guys now we are going to write our logic, we are going to write our JavaScript code for the functionality, for the feature. Okay, I explained you also. So guys now I'll just say here, I'm going to create here one variable, I mean, so I'll say here card. Okay, I'll say cards equal to document. Okay, document dot query selector. I'll say here query selector all. Okay, so just say here comma and just say here, so I'm gonna say here so guys this query selector will take the CSS selector. Okay guys, this query selector all take the CSS selector. Okay, so as you can see here, I have given here the point, which means I'm gonna select this class with the class cards. Okay, so just go here, you can see here on each and every card or the profile card, you can see here the same class cards. Okay, you can see here the same class cards on each and every div or on each and every profile card, this same class cards. Okay, here also the same class cards. Okay, so I will be using the document dot query selector all to select all the card with the class cards. Okay, with the class cards, because I have given here the dot, which is the sign of class, and I have to put here this CSS selector inside this query selector method. Okay, so just put hit enter, and I'm gonna create here another const. So I'll say here const, I'll say here card. Okay, card say cards data. Okay, equal to, I'll say here document dot query selector. Okay, so this time I'm gonna use here the query selector method just to select a single div, so we can use the class also as well as the id also. Okay, so I'll say here hash, which means I'm gonna use the id, okay, as a CSS selector for this query selector method. Okay, for this query selector method I'm gonna select the id because I'm gonna give here the hash, okay, which is a CSS selector. So I'm gonna copy this card data from here and I'll just paste here. So just close this. That's it. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna see here these cards. Okay, so I'm gonna see here these cards, and guys, now I'm gonna use here the JavaScript. Okay, what can I say, higher order function, which is known as for each method. Okay, so guys, this for each method is used to loop through, is used to perform some action, some function on each and every element inside the array. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna use here the for each method, which is used to iterate on the array, and which is used to put something, which is used to perform some action or put some functions on each and every element of the array or the objects. Okay, so I'm gonna use here, I'll say here this cards dot for each, and it will take one function as a callback function. Okay, so guys, this for each function method will take one function as a callback function, and this callback function will take one necessary argument or the parameter. Okay, so guys, here I'm gonna use here the fat arrow function. Okay, so I'll say here I'm gonna put here cards as a argument or the parameter to this callback function. Okay, so guys, if you want, you can give here the, you know, like what can I say, parenthesis also. If you want, you can just remove it. Okay, because here we are just passing here single what can I say, parameter, so it is good to remove it. If you want, you can just keep it also. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the fat arrow function. Okay, so see here and just close this. Okay, and now, so guys, first of all, let me just alert something. Okay, so guys, whenever a user will click on any of the card, okay, we will be able to see each and everything, okay, inside this cards now. Okay, so let me just alert something. So first of all, I'm gonna alert something. So I'll say here card clicked. Okay, card clicked. So just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page first. Okay, so you can see here card clicked. Okay, card clicked, and card clicked. Okay, so now we have to put here on this card, we have to put here add event listener. Okay, so I'll say here this card. Okay, this card dot, sorry, add event listener, and I'm gonna listen for the click event. Okay, I'm gonna listen for the click event. So whenever a user will click on the card, it will listen for the click event, and we will run a function. So I'll say here comma, I will run a function. So just put semicolon here, and now just cut it out and paste it inside this event listener function. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, so guys, now hit anywhere on this card. Okay, see card clicked, click on this Deepak Sharma, see card clicked, click on this Pooja Yadav profile card, see card clicked, click on this Prabhat Pandit profile card, anywhere, see card clicked. Okay, so just let me just show you what is inside this card now. Okay, so let me just show you what is inside this card now. So just paste it here and just save your code and just go to the browser, refresh the page now. Okay, and now click on this anywhere on this 4 card and see what it will return to you. Okay, so hit here on this Pooja Yadav, see, you can see here object HTML div element. Okay, so it's better, we can see here just pass here something as an event, and we can listen for this event also. So just event dot current target dot just see what it returns. Okay, so just save your code and go to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, so hit anywhere on this profile card, see it is again returning the same element. Okay, so it's better, we can say here okay, so let's just see what the entire cards return. Okay, entire cards return. So just save your code and just refresh the page. Okay, so hit anywhere, see, you can see here object node list. Okay, it is going to return the object node list. Okay, so this is the collection of the all the object list. Okay, see, so guys, now, okay, so just remove this, we don't require this alert. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna extract the information. Okay, so I'm gonna write here the comment also, so give some space also, so just write the comment also. I'll say here extract. Okay, extract information uh, from the clicked. Okay, from the clicked, okay, card. Okay, from the clicked card, which means whenever a user will click anywhere on any of the card, we will just extract the information like the profile image, profile name, designation, experience, profile, about the profile. Okay, and the working status. Okay, so guys, whenever user will click on any of the card, we will just extract the information like the profile image, name of the user, designation of the user, experience of the user, and about the profile. Okay, and the working status whenever user will click on any of the card. Okay, so just go to the code again, and this is what I have explained you here. Extract the information from the clicked card. Okay, so I'll say here, I'm gonna just create here some of the variable also. So I'll say here const. Okay, I'll say here const. Okay, which means I'm gonna create here the name variable name. Okay, for the name of the card, I'll say here this card. Okay, this card, which means this card. Okay, this is the parameter of this callback function. Okay, so I'll say here this card dot. Okay, this card dot query selector. Okay, query selector, and I'm gonna pass here the CSS selector. Okay, as a parameter to this query selector function or the method. Okay, so I'll just go up and I'll just copy this class name. Okay, as I showed you already that we will be having the same class name, designation, profile, para, info holder, and the cards image holder. Okay, img fluid on each and every div on each and every profile card. Okay, I showed you also. Okay, so just go down and I will just say here dot this name as a CSS selector, and I'll just say here dot text content. Okay, dot text content, and I will just trim the white space from the left and right side of this text content string. Okay, so guys, text content, okay, will return. Okay, will return this text. 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 Okay, and we are just removing the white spaces from the left hand side of the screen. Okay, so guys, suppose guys, suppose this text is hidden by this CSS property also, or it is not visible on the screen. Okay, then guys, still we will be able to grab this text. Okay, still we will be able to grab this Pooja Yadav. Still we will be able to grab this Deepak Sharma. Still we will be able to grab this Priya Kumari Sharma, because this text content will return each and everything, whether it is hidden by this CSS property display none. Okay, or it is not visible on the screen. It still it will return the text content of this CSS selector with the class name. Okay, with the class name it will return the text by removing the white spaces from the left hand side of the screen. Okay, okay, so now again I'll create a const. So I'll say here const, and I'll say here I'm gonna grab the pic. Okay, which means the profile pic. Okay, so again I'll say here the card. Okay, this card. Okay, this card every time. So I'll say here this card dot query selector, and I'm gonna pass here the CSS selector also. So I'll say here dot, and I'm gonna pass here this CSS selector. Okay, this thumbnail as a CSS selector. So you can see here it will be on every images tag or the element. Okay, thumbnail, you can see here the thumbnail also. Okay, on every image element. Okay, so just go here and say dot this thumbnail, and what we will get here, we will just get here dot get, okay, get attribute. Guys, which attribute? I'll say here attribute. Which attribute? I'll say here src. Okay, src attribute I want. Okay, src I want the attribute. Okay, so just close this, and now again I'm going to create here one more variable. I'll say here the designation. Okay, designation. Okay, so again I will say here the same card dot query selector. Okay, dot query selector, and I'll just pass the css selector as a class only. You can see here this what can I say, this designation. You can see this designation class. Okay, this designation class. Okay, this designation class on each and every div, on each and every profile card. Okay, so just copy this designation class from here and just paste it here, and I'll just say here get text content. I explained you what it is. Okay, so just remove the white spaces also from the left hand side of the screen. Oh, I mean the string. Okay, I mean to say string. Okay, so now I'm gonna create here another variable. So I'll say here const. Okay, I'll say here the details. Okay, I'll say here the details. Okay, so I'll say here the card dot query selector. Okay, card dot query selector, and I'll just say here I'm gonna again pass here the css selector to this query selector method or the function. So I'll just copy this para class. You can see here we have got this para class on each and every div, on each and every profile card. Then here also para class, here also para class, here also para class, and here also the para class. So paste it here and just say here dot get, I mean text content, and just say here trim, just to remove the white spaces from the leading and the trailing of this text. Okay, which means from the left and right side of the string of the text. Okay, so now I'll just create another variable for the experience. I'll say here experience. Okay, equal to, I'll say here card dot query selector. Okay, so I will pass this css selector also. So I'll say here class, I will pass here. So just go here. Okay, so guys, you can see here we don't have any class. Okay, on this div also, on this div also, and on this div also. Okay, so guys, that's why I have created this div like this. Okay, you can see here you can see we don't have any class or the id on this div. Okay, on this div also, and on this div also you can see there is no class, there is no id on this div, on this div, on this div, on everywhere. Okay, here also. Okay, and here also we don't have any class, we don't have any id. So guys, how to grab this experience 4-year text from here? Okay, so guys, now the question is we don't have any class or id on this div, on this div also, and on this div also. So guys, how to grab this text experience of 4-year? Okay, see, here is the also experience of 4-year. Okay, here is the also experience of 4-year, and here is the also experience of 4-year. So guys, now the question is we don't have any class or id on this div. Then guys, how to grab, okay, how to grab this experience 4-year from every profile card? Okay, from every profile card, how to grab this experience 4-year? Okay, if we don't have the classes or id on any of this div, how to grab this experience? Okay, 4-year. Okay, from each and every profile card. Okay, so guys, now I will explain you how. Okay, I will explain you how. Okay, to grab this experience 4-year, to grab this experience 4-year. Okay, to grab this experience 4-year. okay, to grab this experience for year if we don't have any id, any classes on these divs. Okay, if we don't have any classes or id on this divs, okay, still we can grab this text experience for year. Still we can grab this experience text experience for year. Still we can grab this text experience 4 years. Still we can grab this experience for year. I will explain you how. Okay, so now just go and we can say here card dot query selector, and we don't have any I explained you the id or div on this div. I explained you also. Okay, I showed you also, I explained you also. Okay, so guys, now what we will do, we will just copy this class info holder. Okay, you can see guys, you can see here this div. Okay guys, you can see here this div is inside this info holder. You can see guys, this div is inside the info holder div, which means this info holder div is the parent container for this div. Okay, you can see here also this div is inside this div with the class info holder, which means this info holder is the parent container for this div. You can see here this info holder, okay, this class here also, and this div. Okay, and this div is inside this div info holder. Okay, info holder with the class info holder. Okay, so guys, now we will just copy this class info holder and we will just say here that, okay, info holder, that the child div of child div. Okay, of child div. Okay, so guys, which means go to the info holder of this child div of this child div. Okay, so it will go here guys, this query selector will go here to this info holder. Okay, to this info holder, which is this div. Okay, which is this div. It will go to the child div. Okay, it will go to the child div. Okay, so this is the first div. So guys, you can see here, you will say here this is also the child div. Okay, this is also the child div. Okay, you will say here this is also the child div, this is also the child div. Okay, you can say here this is also the child div of this info holder div, this is also the child div of this info holder div, this is also the child div of this info holder div. You will say here also that this is also the child div of this info holder div, this is also the child div of this info holder div, this is also the child div for this info holder div. Okay, on everywhere you can say here this is also the child div for info holder div, this is also the child div for info holder div, this is also the child div for info holder div. Okay, so guys, you are right, you are absolutely right. Every div, okay, every div container is the child div for this info holder div. You are absolutely right. Okay, every div container, I mean this div, okay, every div container is the child div for this info holder div, this div also, and this div also. Okay, so this is the also child div of this div, this is the also child div of this div info holder, and this is the also child div of info holder. So guys, that's why guys I am saying here child div. Okay, child div of this div. Okay guys, okay guys, child div. Okay, child div of this previously selected div. Okay guys, you can see here child div of this previously selected div. Okay guys, child div of this previously selected div. Okay, so guys, you can see here there is no child div of here, there is no child div here, but here you can see there is a child div. Okay, of this div there is a child div. Okay, you can see here there is no also child div, there is no also child div, but here you can see there is a child div of this, there is a child div of this div. Okay, here also you will say there is no child div. Okay, here also you can see there is no child div, but here there is a child div of this div. Okay, you can see here there is no child div of this div, there is no child div of this div, but here there is a child div, this child div of this div. Okay, okay, okay. So guys, now I hope I've explained you to the code to the div. Okay, so guys, now in this way we can select the div or the content or the span or the element if we don't have any classes, okay, defined on the particular div you want to target, you want to select. Okay, so guys, we will just go to the parent div, we will say here go to the child div. Okay, go to the child div of this child div. Okay, this is the child div of this previously selected div. Okay guys, this is the child div of this previously selected div. Okay, so guys, now just put, I'll just say here, so get text, okay, text content dot trim, remove the white spaces from left and right side of the string. Okay, so that's cool. So now we are gonna create here an object. Okay, so guys, now we will be creating here the object by using this properties name, pick, designation, details, experience. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna create here the object. So guys, just be here, you are gonna learn a lot of things from this video, from HTML5 to CSS3 to JavaScript to local storage as well. Okay, so guys, now we are going to create here the object with the properties name, pick, designation, details, and the experience. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here the object. So I'll say here, I will just write the comment here for you also. So I'll say here create, okay, an object with, okay, with the extracted, I'll say here extracted information. Okay, so I'm going to create here now the object with this properties name, pick, designation, details, and the experience. Okay, so guys, now below this I'm going to create here the object, and we all know that how to create the object inside the JavaScript. So we have to say here a const. Okay, I'll say here const, I'll say here person. Okay, person object. Okay, so this is the variable name, I'm gonna use it. I'll say here equal to and open and closing curly braces. Okay, so just close it, put semicolon here, and we will just create some properties first. So I'll say here name, put colon, I'll just say here profile. Okay, so I'll say here profile. So guys, this is the property. Okay guys, this is the property, and you can say here this is the key also, and some people call it property also. Okay guys, this name profile is also known as the key, but some people also like to call it property. Okay, okay, so we will be also calling here the key value. Okay, we're not gonna call it property, we will say here key value, key value, key value. Okay, so I'll say here name profile. Okay, I'll say here designation, put colon, and I'll say here details. Okay, put colon, and I'll say here experience. Okay, I'll say here experience, put colon. Okay, so guys, this is the key. Okay, this name is the key, this profile is the key, this designation is the key, this details is the key, and this experience is the key. Okay, so guys, now we have to assign the value also. So guys, now we are going to assign the value. So for this value we will use this name as a value. Okay, you can see here this name contains the name. Okay, let me go to the what can I say, to the demo or the example. You can see here this name, this profile pic, this designation, this experience, this about the profile, and this working status from each and every profile card it will contain. Okay, so guys, name is the name, and pic is this profile pic. Okay, and this designation, this designation is this designation ServiceNow developer, Livewire developer, website developer, and the Java developer. Name is Priya Kumari Sharma, Deepak Sharma, Pooja Yadav, and Prabhat Pandit. And for this details, we have got this. Okay, we have got this. Okay, this profile details, this profile details. Okay, and for this experience we will just say here this 4-year experience, this 4-year experience, this 4-year experience, and this 4-year experience. Okay, so guys, now this is the key: name, profile, designation, details, and the experience. So now we will define the value also. So for this value we will say name is the value for this name. What can I say, key. So put comma here, and just for the profile I will use this pic. Okay, so just for the value put comma here, and for this designation key I will use the value as this designation as a value for this designation key, put comma here, and for the details I will use this details as a value. Okay, so put comma here, and sorry, and for the experience I will use this experience as a value for this key experience. Okay, so paste it. Okay, so that's it. So guys, now in this way we have created our person object with the key value pair. So name is the key, this name is the value, profile is the key, and this pic, okay, this pic is the value, designation is the key, this designation is the value, details is the key, and this details is the value, and experience is the key, and this experience is the value. Some people like to call it as a property also. Okay, name property, profile property, designation property, details property, and the experience property. Okay, okay, but we will call it here key and value, key and value, key and value, key and value, key and value. Okay, so guys, now in this way we have created an object, person object, and I have explained you really well to the deep to the core also. Okay, okay, so guys, now dynamically we have to populate each and everything inside this card using the JavaScript. I explained you also. Let me just go to the explain you one more time. So go to the example. You can see here, whenever a user is going to click on any of the card, we will be able to see the same profile card here also. See, click it, click on it, click on it. Okay, we are able to see the profile card dynamically changing here. Okay, okay, here also whenever user will click on any of the profile card. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna just do this. Okay, inside our code also dynamically here on this div data card. Okay, so for this we will be using here JavaScript. So below this I'm gonna say here that we have already created a variable called cards data. Okay, so copy it from here, and here I'll say here dot, and I'll say here inner HTML. I'll give here equal to, I'll use here the backtick. Okay, so I'll use here the backtick, and I'll just close this. Okay, so guys, now let me just copy the what can I say, this div from here to here, just to save our little bit of time. Okay, so just copy from here to here. Okay, and check it one more time, it is closing here. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so guys, now just paste here. Okay, so just paste here. Okay, so guys, now just create a div first. Okay, so create a div and give the class also. So I'll give the class also as a container. Okay, and give the margin top also 4, and give the margin bottom also 4, and below just close this div. So close this div now, and go up, and again I'm gonna create here the again one div for the row. So I'll give the class also as a row, and I'll give here the justify content. Okay, justify content center. Okay, center. Okay, so justify content center, and just close this div here. Okay, so just close this div. That's cool. So guys, now we already have created our object. Okay, person object. So guys, now we have to dynamically show the content. Okay, whenever user will click on any of the card, you can see here dynamically we are changing the content. Okay, dynamically we are changing the content based on the card clicked by the user. See, okay, see, so we are going to do this now. So just go to the code, and guys, now just remove this. Okay, so just let me guys just show you guys one more thing. Okay, so yeah, as of now, just let it be and copy, save the file and go to the browser, and just go here and try to refresh the page. Okay, okay, and guys, now let me just go to the developer tool first, see if there is any error or not. Yeah, there is no error at all, so just close this. Okay, so guys, now just hit on this first profile card. Okay, as of now, see, boom guys, you can see here, see, but as of now it is static, it is not dynamic, it is hard coded. Okay, it is hard coded, it is not dynamic. Okay, you can see whenever I am clicking on any of the card, it is not going to change. Okay, it is not going to change because it is hard coded, it is not dynamic. Okay, so we have to make it dynamic, each and everything, whenever user will click any of the user profile card. Okay, like this example. Okay, so just make it dynamic now. Okay, so just to remove these images from here, we don't require these images dynamically, we will just replace this each and everything. So guys, now we will be using here this person object. Okay, so we will say here this person object dot name, person object dot profile, person object dot designation, person object dot details, person object dot experience, just to grab this value, name, pick, designation, details, experience. Okay, so guys, now just copy this person object and say here, I'll just say here, I'm gonna use here the string interpolation or the string literals. Okay, so I'll just say here that dollar and open and closing curly braces. So guys, this is known as the like what you can say guys, it is known as the, you know, like a string interpolation or the string literal. Okay, so I'll just say here person object dot, I'll just use this profile to grab this pic. Okay, dynamically, so I'll say here person object dot profile. Okay, so guys, now in this way we will dynamically change this image. Okay guys, now in this way we will dynamically change this image based on the profile card clicked, okay, by the user. Based on the profile card clicked by the user, we will change this image dynamically. So let me just show you. So save your code and go to the browser, and now refresh the page. Okay, as of now, click anywhere, the image is not going to change. Okay, because it is hard coded, it is static. So now we have made this image dynamic. Okay, we have made this image dynamic based on the profile card clicked by the user. Okay, so just refresh the page. Okay, and now hit anywhere on the first card, second card, third card, and the fourth card as well. Okay, so just hit it. So see, boom guys, you can see here, now this image is dynamic. Now this image is dynamic and everything is static as of now. As of now everything is static because we have not changed it, we have not make it dynamic. Okay, so we will make it dynamic also. Let me just show you. So this image only, so click on the second Pooja Yadav profile. See, boom guys, you can see the image is dynamic now. See how cool and how, you know, innovative our JavaScript is. Okay, so click on the Deepak Sharma third profile card. See, boom guys, now you can see the image is dynamic, it is changing according to the profile clicked by the user. Okay, so click on the fourth profile Priya Kumari Sharma. See, boom guys, now you can see now the profile pic is dynamic based on the profile card clicked by the user. Okay, clicked by the user. See, okay, so we have to make each and everything dynamic also, like the profile name, the designation, okay, the experience, and the about the profile also. Okay, so just go to the code and just by for this name. Okay, for this name, what we will say here, we will say here dollar, and we will just say here open and closing braces, and we will just say here person object. Okay, person object dot, we will just say here this name. So copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, and for this designation, like Java developer, service now developer, website developer, Okay, so just remove this, put dollar and just put open and closing braces, and just copy this person object variable name from here, and put comma dot, and just to grab this designation we will use this key designation, and then we will be able to grab this designation value. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here. That's cool. Okay, and for the experience, what we will say here, for the experience we will say, just remove this, and we will say here that dollar, and we will just copy this person object from here and paste here. We will say dot, and we will just say here this experience. Okay, this experience. So just paste it if you want to grab the, you know, and now for this details. Okay, for this details just remove this. So say here dollar, put open and closing braces, so copy this person object. Okay, and just paste it here, say point the dot, and for the, I'll say here this details, so copy it from here and just paste it here. Okay, so guys, now in this way we have make each and everything dynamic based on the profile clicked by the user. Okay, so guys, in this way we have made each and everything dynamic based on the profile clicked by the user. So save your code and go to the browser, and now refresh the page, and now see the magic. Okay, so click on any of the profile card. Okay, you are free to click on the first, second, third, fourth, it's up to you. So I'm gonna click here the second profile card, Pooja Yadav. Okay, so hit anywhere on this profile card. See, boom guys, you can see here the Pooja Yadav. This is the profile pic. Okay, this is the profile pic. You can see here the same profile pic, name is Pooja Yadav. You can see here also, sorry, the name Pooja Yadav. You can see she is a live wire developer. You can see here the live wire developer, experience is 4 year, experience is also 4 year also. This is about the profile. Okay, this is about the profile Pooja Yadav. You can see here this is about the profile Pooja Yadav, and the status is working. You can see status is working. So click on the Deepak Sharma. See, boom guys, you can see this is the profile pic, Deepak Sharma, name, designation website developer, experience 4 year, and this is about the profile. See, Deepak Sharma profile pic, Deepak Sharma name, designation, okay, experience 4 year, and this is about the profile, and the status is working. See, click on the fourth profile, Priya Sharma. See, boom guys, see, this is the profile pic of Priya Sharma. This is the name, Priya Kumari Sharma. She is a Java developer, experience 4 year, and this is about the profile, and the status is working. So click on the first profile, the first profile. See, this is the profile pic. Okay, this is the profile pic, Prabhat Pandit, service now developer, experience is 4 year. This is about the profile, and the status is working. Okay, so guys, as of now it is dynamic. Okay, fully dynamic. Okay, see, okay, so guys, see, okay, so guys, now just refresh the page. Okay, so guys, after refreshing the page, you won't be able to see it here. Okay, you won't be able to see it here because we have not saved anything inside our local storage. Okay, so just refresh the page. See, it is gone. Okay, it is disappeared, it is gone. So just click anywhere. See, it is dynamic now. We have made our profile card dynamic based on the profile clicked by the user. Okay, so now guys, we have to save each and everything inside the local storage also, just to make it remain here, whenever user is going to refresh the page also, whenever user is going to reload the page also, or whenever user will cut the page also, then also it should remain here. Okay, after the cutting of the page also, after the page refreshment also, after the page reloading also. Okay, so we have to save each and everything inside the local storage. Okay, like here you can see, just refresh the page. Okay, this is the example. Okay, this is the example. Just refresh the page. See, it is still here after the page refreshment also. So click on the first card, and just you can see here it is selected, and you can see here the same profile card. So just refresh the page also. See, after the page refreshment also, it is not going to disappear. Okay, so just cut this page. Okay, and go to the example and just open this. So this is the example. So open this in the browser. See, you can see here initially when the page loads, you can see here the last profile card clicked by the user will remain here. Okay, will remain here because we have saved each and everything inside the local storage. Okay, so we are gonna do this here also into our application, also into our project also. Okay, so just go to the code, and guys, now we will save each and everything inside the local storage. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna save each and everything inside the local storage as well. So what we will say here, we will say here, I'm gonna create here a var, and I'll just say here store. Okay, store details. Okay, that's it, which means I'm gonna store the details inside the local storage. Okay, just say the variable name as a store details. So I'm gonna store the details. Okay, this person object details like name, profile, designation, details, and the experience inside the local storage. So I'll say here equal to, I'll say here window dot local storage. I'll say here window dot local storage dot set item. We are gonna set the item, which means we are gonna pass the we are gonna set the item to the local storage. Okay, so I'm gonna say here I'm gonna pass the key also. So I will pass the key as a what key, guys, I should pass. Okay, so I'm gonna say here the key, just say anything as of now. I just want to explain you, and guys, I feel, guys, I have explained you to the code, to the deep, guys. Okay, guys, please, guys, okay, please just subscribe to the channel, code with ER. Okay, please, guys, it's a humble request, it's a kind request. Okay, I'm making a lot of hard work, I'm making a lot of hard efforts to create videos, to make awesome videos for you guys, so that you can watch it and you can learn from it also, and definitely, guys, professionally you will grow also. Okay, so guys, just, guys, it's a humble request, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel, code with ER. Okay, and please, guys, press the bell icon also, and please like this video also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos for you on each and every topic of web development as well as full stack development also. Okay, I know, guys, I am a boy and you will not support me, you will not help me, but still, guys, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, just support me, just help me. Okay, so guys, now just go to the code, and just we are gonna say here we are gonna pass the key. So I'll say here I'll just pass the person. Okay, person details. Okay, person details. Okay, as a key. Okay, person details, and I'll just say here, sorry, I'll say here that JSON.stringify, because we all know, guys, whatever we want to store inside the local storage, it has to be stored as a string. Okay, guys, always remember, whatever we want to save or we want to store inside the local storage, it has to be stored as a string. Okay, it has to be stored as a string, then only we will be able to store anything inside the local storage. Okay, guys, always remember, okay, whatever we have to store inside the local storage, whatever we want to save inside the local storage, we can only save or we can only store the things inside the local storage as a string. Okay, as a simple string. Okay, okay, so that's why I'm gonna say here JSON.stringify. We are gonna stringify this object. Okay, this person object. Okay, so copy this and paste this as a parameter to this function stringify. Okay, so in this way we have saved our this, okay, person object inside the local storage with the key. Okay, with the key, and the key is person details. Okay, person, say person details. Okay, say person details. Okay, so guys, this is the key and this is the value. Okay, so guys, always remember, local storage is a key value pair mechanism. Okay, guys, always remember, local storage is a key value pair mechanism where we can save anything in the form of key value pair. Okay, in the form of key value pair. So this is the key and this is the value. Okay, this is the key and this is the value. And guys, suppose whenever you are supposed to get this value person object, okay, guys, suppose whenever you are supposed to get this, okay, get this value person object, then we have to use this key person details, okay, then only we will be able to grab this person object, okay, person objects, because this, okay, this value, because this person value is associated with this key person details, okay, person details, okay, person details, okay. So whenever, guys, you are supposed to grab this person object, okay, from the local storage, okay, we have to use this key person details, then only we will be able to grab it, this person object from the local storage. We have to use this key person details, then only we will be able to grab it, person object from the local storage, okay. So guys, now in this way we have stored each and everything from this person object inside the local storage, okay. So guys, let me just go to the code, and let me just go to the developer tool, and let me just go to the application, and let me just clear the application, okay. So guys, now you can see here there is nothing inside the local storage, so just refresh the page, okay. So guys, now there is nothing inside the local storage, and guys, the moment you will hit any of the card, you will be able to see here a key value pair inside our local storage, okay, inside our local storage. So click on any of the card, okay, so click it, see, boom, guys, you can see here we got our what can I say, local storage value also with the, this is, you can see here, this is the key and this is the value, okay, sorry, this is the value and this is the key, okay, with the person details, and this is the value. So you can see here, guys, as of now this is the profile have been saved inside the local storage. This is the profile pic, this is the name, this is the designation, this is the experience, and this is the about the profile, and this is the status. You can see here the designation also as a service now. You can see designation service now details. Service now platform is designed for using security operations, customer service, and HR among other area. You can see here service now platform is designed for use in security operations, customer service, and HR among other areas, okay. You can see here name is Prabhat Pandit, you can see here name is Prabhat Pandit, and this is the profile pic, okay, okay. You can see this is the profile pic and this is the profile pic, okay. So click on second, this on second profile, so see it is also being changed dynamically, this, okay, this what can I say, local storage value is also being changed dynamically whenever user will click on the card. See, it is being changed dynamically. This is the Pooja Yadav, live wire developer, experience 4 year. This is about the details, about the profile, and status is working. See, live wire developer, designation, details is this, experience is 4 year, name is Pooja Yadav, and profile is this. See, this is the name Pooja Yadav. So dynamically our local storage value is also being changed whenever user will click on any of the card. So click Deepak Sharma. See, Deepak Sharma profile is here. This is the profile pic, name, website design, developer, and experience 4 year. This is the about the profile, and this is the working experience. See, website developer, details is this, experience 4 years, name Deepak Sharma, and profile is this. See, okay. So click on the fourth profile, Priya Sharma. See, you can see here also the profile pic, name Priya Kumari Sharma, Java developer, experience 4 year, and this is about the profile and the working status, okay. You can see here Java developer, you can see Java developer, details is this, experience 4 year. See, name is Priya Kumari Sharma. You can see here also name as a Priya Kumari Sharma, and this is the profile pic, okay, this is the profile pic, okay. So guys, dynamically we are also changing the what can I say, local storage value also whenever user will click on any of the cards. See, it is dynamically also changing whenever I am clicking on the card, okay. Whenever I am clicking on the card, it is dynamically also changing the local storage value also, and this profile card also dynamically, okay. See, you can see here this is being changed, okay, this is being changed, this key value pair is being changed, this what can I say, local storage value is also being changed, okay, whenever user will click on any of the card. See, you can see here, okay. So just cut it. So guys, as of now we have just saved, okay, the details about the profile, about the user card, okay, inside the local storage, but we are not fetching it, we are not grabbing it, and we are not showing it here, okay. So guys, now just refresh the page, you will be able to see that this profile card will be removed, this profile card will be gone, okay. So just remove it, just refresh the page, okay. See, it's gone, okay, it's gone, because we have just saved each and everything inside the local storage, and we are not fetching it, okay, we are not showing it to the user on the browser, okay. So guys, now we will just do it, okay, like this example. Just refresh this, okay, okay. So refresh this, see, it is gone because we have removed it from the local storage. I just showed you, we have removed, we have cleared the local storage also, okay. So guys, now we will just grab it, everything from this, okay. We will just grab each and everything from this local storage, okay, based on the profile clicked by the user dynamically, and we will just show it, we will just show it here. Whenever the page will refresh, the page will reload again, it will be remain here only, it will remain here only, it is not going to be deleted, it is not going to be removed, okay. On page refreshment also, on page reload also, on the page cut also, okay, on the page cut also, on the page reload also, on the page refreshment also, it will remain here, it is not going to be deleted, okay, because we have saved each and everything inside the local storage, okay. Sorry, so just make this as a 4, okay, so it will look little bigger, okay. So save it and just see the output first. Refresh this page, yeah. So now if click it, yeah, now it is looking bigger, okay. So guys, let me just put here the height also, okay, just to show the image, okay, just to show the image. I'm gonna put here the internal style sheet, I mean inline style sheet. So I'll say here height of 270 px, okay, that's it. So just go and now refresh the page, okay, and now click it. So now you can see the clear profile pic, okay. It's up to you to increase or decrease, okay. So for the dummy purpose, just to give you the live example, okay, okay. So guys, now we will just grab it and grab it each and everything from the local storage, and we will just dynamically show it, okay. As of now, whenever you will refresh the page, you will be able to see that this profile is gone, okay. It is refreshed, it is gone, okay. So refresh it, see, it is gone, okay, it is gone. We are not able to see it because we are not fetching it from the local storage, and we are not showing it to the user, okay. That's why whenever the page is refreshed, whenever the page is reload, you're able to see that the profile card is gone, okay. So we will just grab it from the local storage now. So just go to the code and below this, okay. So guys, now below this I'm gonna grab it, okay. So okay, so guys, just pay attention, okay, be here and be relaxed and watch the entire video very carefully, okay. So guys, now I'm gonna just write the comment also. I'll say here retrieve, okay, retrieve the person object. I'll say here person object from, okay, from the local storage and show it on the page even, okay, even when the page refreshed or reload, okay. So guys, now I have written the comment also, okay, just to give you the confidence, okay. So guys, now I hope guys it is self-explanatory what I have written here, okay. So I'm gonna grab this now. So I'll say here window dot local storage dot get item, okay. So I explained you to get the item we have to use this key, okay. So I'm gonna use this key person details, okay, because this person object is associated, okay guys, because this person object is associated with this key person details. So this is the key, so we have to use it to grab it, okay. So just copy it and just put here, okay. So guys, now in this way we have get it. So I'll just store it inside the variable also. So I'll say here const equal to, I'll just give here the variable name. I'll say here, just say here person, okay, person info, okay, that's it. It is self-explanatory also. So I'll say here person info, and we will just grab it, okay, by using this person details key, and we will just store it inside the person info. Okay, I hope guys I'm clear. I'm able to explain you to the code to the deep. Okay guys, if you have still any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, guys, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to resolve it, I'll try to address it. Okay, okay. So although I don't feel guys you need it any kind of explanation now after watching this video, because I have explained you to the code to the deep and very clearly also. Okay, so I'll just say here, I'll just check it, okay, if there is anything inside the local storage. So I'll just use this person info to check if it is already inside the local storage. If it is not, then that's fine. Okay, so I'll just say here if it is. So if it is, so we'll just say here that const, okay, so I'll say here const, okay, I'll just say here person object, okay, I'll just create a variable person object, okay, not person object because it is already here defined, I guess. Yeah, it is already here defined. I hope this will work also here, because we are creating here a different function. Okay, so I'll say here person object only, let it be. If it is not okay, then we will just change it. Okay, so I'll just say here JSON, okay, I'll say here JSON dot parse, okay, I'll say here JSON dot parse, so parse back. Okay, so guys, I explained you that we are saving each and everything inside this local storage as a string, as a text, okay, as a string, as a text. So we have to again parse it to make it like a JavaScript object. Okay guys, here we are saving each and everything inside the local storage as a string, as a string. Okay, okay, because we know we can only save each and anything inside the local storage as a string. So we are saving here each and everything as a string inside the local storage, and by using the function stringify, and we will just stringify this person object to store inside the local storage. Okay, so guys, it is a string now, so we have to convert it back to the JavaScript object. Okay, so guys, now it is a string now, so we have to convert it back to the JavaScript object. So guys, we have to convert it back to the JavaScript object. So guys, for this we will use here JSON.parse. Okay, JSON.parse, and what to parse guys, what to parse this, okay, parse this store or the person info. Okay, parse this person info, so just parse it, so just paste it. Okay, so just put comma. Okay, so JSON.parse. Okay, so guys, now just console this log to see what is there inside this, I'll say here person.log, and I'll just pass this person object as a parameter to this console.log function. Okay, so guys, now just save your code and refresh the page first, and just go to the developer tool and go to the console, and you can see here we got the object already. You can see here we got the object already. You can see live via developer. So go to the application. So this will be the last clicked element by the or the profile by the user. Okay, so you can see here this is the live via developer, and experience is 4 year. So Pooja Yadav, so profile name is Pooja Yadav. Okay, and this is the image. So go to the application. You can see here the profile name is Pooja Yadav. So go to the application. You can see here also the same name, Pooja Yadav. You can see here the same name as a Pooja Yadav also. See this and this and this is matching now. Okay, is matching now. Okay, so you can see here this is in the form of a string. Okay, you can see here guys, this is in the form of a string. Okay guys, you can see here this is in the form of a string, and now this is again back to the form of JavaScript object. Okay, now you can see here this is again back in the form of JavaScript object, and here you can see this is in the form of a string. Okay, this is in the form of a string. So we have converted it back to the JavaScript object by using the JSON.parse method. Okay, so just let it be here only. So guys now, okay, so guys now what we will do here, we will just copy this cards data variable and just go and say here dot inner HTML equal to put backtick and just close this. Okay, and guys now let me just copy this entire things from here. Okay, just to save a little bit of time, just to copy this HTML part. Okay, and we will just make it dynamic also, so just paste it here. Okay, so just paste it here and just remove this. Okay, we don't require this. We will make it dynamic also by using the stored information inside the local storage. Okay, so just remove this and just remove this. Okay, just remove this. So guys now what we will do here, we will just say here window dot onload. Okay, we will just say here window dot onload. Okay, window dot load. I'll say here window dot load. Okay, window dot load. I'll just say here equal to we will run a function. Okay, so put parenthesis and just close this from here and just paste it here. Okay, so paste it here. Okay, so that's cool, that's fine. Okay, so just close this. Okay, so guys now we will just make it dynamic also. So guys now you can see here each and everything inside this person object. So we will just change this. Okay, so I'll say here person only. Okay, so person, so just remove this. Okay, so now just as a dummy, so just save a code and refresh the page. Okay, we got the error on 262. So go to the code and see what is the error on 262. Okay, yeah, it is here. So we will just use this person now. So person, okay, so person, and we can see here guys, go to the application. You can see here we will say here person dot designation, person dot details, person dot experience, person dot name, and person dot profile. Okay, so guys let me just show you very quickly. So remove it. Okay, very quickly remove it. We can define it later on. It will take only few minutes only. Okay, so remove it. Just remove it. I want to show you something, so just remove it. Okay, I want to show you something, so just save your code and just refresh the page. Okay, and go to the console now. You can see here guys, you can see here the this is an object. You can see this is an object. Okay, you can see this is an object, and now we will say here guys. Okay, we will say here that person. Okay, person dot designation, person dot details, person dot experience, person dot name, person dot profile, to grab this designation, to grab this details, to grab this experience, to grab this name, to grab this profile image or profile pic. Okay, we will say here guys. Okay, we will say here guys. Okay, this person. Okay, this person. Okay, this person. Okay, dot designation, to grab this designation, person dot details, to grab this details. Okay, person dot experience, to grab this experience. Okay, person dot name, to grab this name, Pooja Yadav, person dot profile, to grab this profile image. Okay, dynamically whenever user will click on any of the card. Okay, whenever user will click on any of the profile card. Okay, dynamically. So okay, I explained to you also. So just control Z. Okay, control Z, just to save a little bit of time. Okay, so okay, so we will say here person. Okay, person dot, so what we will say here guys, we will say here, go to the developer tool. Let me explain you one more time. Go to the console, open this object, and we will say here dot profile, to grab this profile image. Okay, so I'll say here that person dot profile. Okay, so just save. Again we will say here that person dot, what we will grab guys, we will just say here person dot name, to grab this Pooja Yadav name. Okay, so I'll say here dot name. Dynamically we will grab it. So we will say here designation. So I'll say here person. Okay, person dot, to grab the designation, what we will say here guys, we will say here dot designation. Okay, so I will say here dot designation. Okay, so for this experience, what we will say, we will say here person. Okay, we will say here person dot, for the experience, what we will say guys, we will say here experience dot experience. Okay, so I'll say here experience. Okay, and for this details, what we will say here, we will say here person dot, we will say here this details. Okay, this details. So we will say here details. Okay, so guys, now we have dynamically defined our all the information also. So profile here, person name here, designation here, experience here, and the details here. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I have explained you to the code, to the deep. Okay, and you have learned something from this video, from this session, from the HTML3, I mean HTML5 to CSS3 to JavaScript to the local storage as well. Okay, from this video, from this session. Okay, so guys, just save your code and just go to the browser and just refresh this page. Okay, we don't have any error. Okay, so close this console, and guys, you can see guys, dynamically it is here. Okay, because we are fetching each and everything from the local storage whenever user is going to refresh the page, whenever user is going to reload the page, and whenever user is going to cut this page also. Okay, we will fetch each and everything from the local storage itself. Okay, so as of now, you can see Pooja Yadav is already selected. I showed you also. Go to the inspector also for last time. See, open this object. You can see here the Pooja Yadav. Okay, the Pooja Yadav. See, this is the Pooja Yadav. Okay, go to the application and see, you can see here the same name, Pooja Yadav. So we are fetching each and everything from this local storage dynamically whenever user will click on any of the profile card. Okay, so click here this third card. See, now refresh the page. See, boom guys, it is still here after the page refreshment also, after the page reloading also. So click on the fourth profile card, Priya Kumari Sharma. So go down, see Priya Kumari Sharma, Java developer, experience 4 year, and this is the profile details, and working status is working. Okay, so click on the first profile, Prabhat Pandit. Clicked. So see, this is the profile name, this is the name, Prabhat Pandit, service now developer, experience 4 years. This is the about the profile, and the working status is working. So close this. Okay, so guys, now refresh the page. Okay, see, it is still here. Click the Pooja Yadav. So see, now refresh the page. See, it is still here. Click the Deepak Sharma profile. See, profile name, designation, experience, and the details. Okay, refresh the page also. See, after the page refreshment, after the page reloading also, it is still here. It is not going to disappear. It is not going to be deleted, because we are saving each and everything dynamically inside the local storage, and we are grabbing it from the local storage as well. Okay, so click on the fourth profile. So see, Priya Kumari Sharma, this is the profile pic, this is the name, Priya Kumari Sharma, Java developer, experience 4 year, Java developer. Okay, and the working status is working. So refresh the page also. See, it is still here. Click. So dynamically we are just fetching everything from the local storage, and as well as we are saving each and everything at the same time. At the same time, we are fetching it also. Okay, we are accessing it also, we are saving it also, we are accessing it also at the same time. Okay, we are storing it and we are just fetching it at the same time. Okay, whenever user will click on any of the card, dynamically we will just save it, and we will just grab it, we will just fetch it, and we will just show it here below this profile card. Okay, see, dynamically we are changing the details also. See, okay. So guys, now whenever user will click any of the profile card, it should be selected. Okay, like here, go to the example. So click it. So see, it is now looking like a selected profile card, because you can see here the red border. Okay, and the box shadow also. Click this profile. See, it is looking like a selected. Click this, it is also looking like a selected. You can see here, click this, it is also looking like a selected, and you can see here also. Okay, so I'm gonna define the background color, guys, also here. Like you can see here, this background color I'm gonna define here also to this profile also. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the example, and I will just copy this background color from here. So I will just copy this background color. So copy this background color from here, and just paste it here. So paste it here, give a little bit of space. Okay, and go up, go up, go up, and paste here also. So that's cool. So save your code and go to the browser, and now refresh the page. So see, boom, it's looking cool now. So click, see. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna create here this. Okay, this looks okay, which this looks selected, this looks selected, this looks selected. Okay, this looks also selected because we have got a nice, border of red, and box shadow also, box shadow, border red, box shadow, border red, box shadow. So we are gonna do this, we are gonna achieve this feature or the functionality here also inside our code also. So just go to the code, and I'm gonna create here one CSS properties. I'll say here active. Okay, active. So I'll just say here active. I'm gonna say here border. I'll say here border 2px, border 2px solid. I'll say here red. Okay, and I'll just define the box shadow also. I'll say here not border radius, I'll say here box shadow. Okay, so I'll say here box shadow 2px, and give here 20px, and I'll use the RGBA value. Okay, and just change the value of opacity. Okay, so I'll say here 0.3. That's cool. So guys, now whenever a user will click on any of the card, guys, now whenever a user will click on any of the card, we will just apply this active class dynamically. Okay, so we will just apply this active class dynamically on any of the profile card clicked by the user. Okay, so for this we have to write our JavaScript also. So I'm gonna write the JavaScript, I'm gonna write the logic also for this. Okay, sorry. Okay, so guys, now here only I'm gonna write the logic also. So guys, please guys, okay, please guys, subscribe to this channel, guys. Okay, code with ER. Okay, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me, on the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel code with ER. Okay guys, I know I am a boy and you will not support me, you will not subscribe me. Okay, still guys, I request you, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, just support me and just help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also. And guys, please guys, like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos for you like this on each and every topic of web development as well as full stack development also. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna write the logic also for the active class. Okay, for this active class, whenever user will click on any of the card, we will apply the dynamic active class. Okay, dynamically. Okay, okay, so I'll just say here that, okay, so I'll just say here that, I'll just say here that I'm gonna create here a const. Okay, I'll just say here is active. Okay, is active. I'll create a variable. I'll say here that card dot class list. Okay, class list. Okay, dot contains. Okay, dot contains. Okay, so guys, contains is used to check. Okay guys, contains is used to check if something is there on the element or not. Okay, so guys, suppose if something is already there in the on the element, okay, it will return true, otherwise it will return the false. Okay, so guys, it will check if this active class is already, okay, whatever we will pass as a parameter, I'll pass the parameter as an active class. Okay, the class we have defined here. Okay, inside this CSS, this class, active class. Okay, we will pass here as a parameter to this contains method or the object, and it will check. Okay, it will check if card dot class list dot contains this active class, it will return true, otherwise it will return the false. Okay, so guys, whenever you can see here, guys. Okay, whenever you will the user will click on any of this card, okay, any of this card, okay, any of these cards, okay, and it will check if there is already a class called active. It will check on each and every cards, whenever user is going to click on any of the card, it will check if there is a class called active. It will return the false, otherwise it will return the true. Okay, so this is what we are going to do here now. So we are checking it. If it is already active, we will just it will just return the false, otherwise it will return the true. Okay, and based on the this is active value, whether it is negative or the positive, whether it is true or false, guys, based on this is active value, whether it is false or the true, we will just check it, or we will just add it, or we will just remove it, the class active. Okay, so I'll just say here if, okay, if negation of this is active, okay, is active, if it is true, it will make it false. Okay, if it is false, it will make it true, because we are gonna use here the exclamation mark, which is known as the not operator inside the JavaScript. Okay, not operator inside the JavaScript, which will return, if it is positive, it will make it negative. If it is true, if it is true, it will make it false. Okay, if it is false, it will make it true. Okay, so just say here. So first of all, we will just remove the active class from entire div. Okay, guys, first of all, we will just remove this active class from this entire card. Okay, from this entire profile card. Okay, we will just remove it, and whenever a user will click on any of the particular card, okay, any of the particular card, then we will just add the active class on that card only. Okay, on that card only. So for this, we have to remove the active class first from each and every card. Okay, and whenever user will click on any of the particular card, then only on that card only we will add the active class. Okay, for this we have to remove this active class from each and every profile card or the user card. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now only. So I'll just say here that these cards, okay, these cards, okay, these cards, okay, this cards variable. So just copy it, and I'll just say here that for each I'm gonna pass this callback function, and I'm gonna use here the filter function. So I'll say here, I'll just say here card class. Okay, card class. Okay, so I'll just use here the filter function. So I'll just say here this, I'll just use here this card class, because this is the parameter or for this callback function. So I'll say here card dot, I'll say here class list dot remove. Okay, first remove the active class from the entire div, from the each and every profile card or the each and every user details card. Okay, so I'll just remove this class active. Okay, active. So guys, in this way we have removed the active class. Okay, so guys, in this way we have removed this active class. Okay, active class from this entire cards. Okay, and whenever user will click on the particular card, then on that particular card we will add the active class. Okay, so just go, and we will just say here that this card, okay, this card, okay, this card. So just copy this from here only, just to save a little bit of time. So copy it from here and just paste below here, and we will just say here card dot class list dot add. Okay, add which class? Active class. Okay, add which class? Active class on the particular clicked profile card by the user. Okay, so I will just write the comment also for you. Okay, so I will just write the comment for you also, guys. Okay, so just write the comment very quickly. So remove active, okay, active class from all the user profile cards. Okay, profile cards. Okay, so that's cool now. And here we are checking. Okay, here we are checking if it is already there, this active class is already there on this card. Okay, on this cards it is already there, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so we are just check. Okay, I'll say here check if clicked. Okay, if clicked card. Okay, clicked card already, clicked card already, clicked card already has a active active class. Okay, that's cool. So guys, now just save your code. And guys, I hope guys I've explained you to the code to the deep. Okay, and you have learned something from this video, from this session. Okay, so guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys uh, subscribe to the channel Code with ER, and please guys like this videos also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos for you on each and every topic of web development as well as full stack development also. Okay, so guys, now just save your code and go to the browser and now refresh the page. Okay, so guys, now just click on any of the profile card. So click Priya Kumari Sharma. See, boom guys, you can see here now it's look like selected. Okay, so let me just change the box shadow. Okay, let me just change the box shadow, although it is looking cool also. Okay, you can see it is also looking cool. Okay, so guys, let it be. Let me just change you guys, otherwise you will say you are not doing whatever I was thinking you will do. So I'll just say here, I'll just use here the yellow. Okay, yellow as a box shadow. So save your code, go to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, so guys, now click Prabhat Pandit. See, boom guys, you can see here this card looks selected because we have got a nice border color of red and the little bit of box shadow of yellow. Okay, see, so this is now selected Prabhat Pandit. You can see here the same profile card here also. Okay, so just refresh the page. See, boom guys, it is still here. Okay, you can see it is still here, the same profile card Prabhat Pandit. So now click on the Pooja Yadav. See, it is now selected. You can see the nice border of red and the box shadow also, and see the same profile card here also, it is selected. So now just refresh the page. See, boom guys, after the page refreshment also, after the page reloading also, our profile remain here. It is not going to be deleted, it is not going to be vanished. Okay, so click on the third profile, Deepak Sharma. See, it's look like selected now. It's look like selected because the user has clicked on this Deepak Sharma profile, and you can see we got the nice red border and the box shadow also of yellow. See, this is the same profile card here also, Deepak Sharma, website developer, experience 4 year. This is about the profile, and the working status is working. So click on the fourth profile, Priya Kumari Sharma. So see, it is already selected. You can see nice border of red and little bit of box shadow also. So the same profile is here also, Priya Kumari Sharma. Just refresh the page. Okay, so guys, as of now, just remember that this last profile, Priya Kumari Sharma, is clicked by the user, and you can see here it is also here the same profile Priya Kumari Sharma inside this profile. Okay, so just cut this page. Okay, and just go and again open it. So open in the browser. So see, boom guys, you can see here the same profile Priya Kumari Sharma is still here. It is not going to disappear, it is not going to removed, because we are saving each and everything inside the local storage as well dynamically whenever user is clicking on the any of the profile card. Okay, any of the profile card. Okay, so guys, see, it is working cool and fantastic also, like our example. So this is our example. Okay, this is our example. It is also working cool, and this is what we have made inside this video, inside this tutorial. Okay, see. Okay, so just refresh the page. See, it is not going to disappear. Click on the Pooja Yadav, refresh the page. Okay, see, just click on the Deepak Sharma, refresh the page. Okay, so click on the Priya Kumari Sharma profile. See, it is here, refresh the page. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I have explained you to the core, to the deep, that what is a DOM traversing inside JavaScript. Okay, and by traversing the DOM, okay, by traversing the by using the DOM traversing technique, we have built this dynamic yet awesome application project, okay, using the HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, as well as the local storage. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I've explained you to the code, to the deep. Okay, and guys, you have learned, now you know that what is a DOM traversing in JavaScript and how to do DOM traversing. Okay, how to do DOM traversing to create this kind of dynamic application, to create this kind of dynamic project using HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and local storage as well. Okay, with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you have learned something from this video, from this session. Okay guys, if you feel guys you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys subscribe to the channel Code with and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly, and of course you can learn from them also, and professionally you will grow also. Okay, in your career. Okay, so please guys, I need your help, I need your support. I know guys, I'm a boy and you will not support me, you will not help me, and you will not subscribe to the channel guys, Code with Still guys, I'm requesting you to support me, to help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with Okay, so please guys, just like all the videos also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos like this on each and every topic of web development as well as full stack development also. Okay, so guys, just do let me know guys, that how do you feel about this video, about this session. Okay guys, whether my voice is clear, whether I'm speaking too fast, whether my voice is not audible. Okay, whether I should make my videos in Hindi only, or whether I should continue making my videos in English only. Guys, if you have any kind of suggestions, any kind of query, any kind of feedback for me, whether it is negative or positive, guys, I don't care, I just need your feedback. Okay, I'll try to implement it into my next session, into my next video. Okay guys, just give me your feedback. Okay, okay, and guys, do let me know how do you feel about this video, about this session. Okay guys, I hope guys you have learned something new, something awesome, something unique from this video, from this session in the JavaScript, and you know now that what is a DOM traversing and how to do DOM traversing and to create this kind of dynamic application using the DOM traversing technique, using the DOM traversing method. Okay, so guys, see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. Please guys, subscribe guys this channel Code with and please press the bell icon also. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.